Hello everyone. Today's prehistoric animals and documentaries review we're going to be doing is Dinosaurs Message in Stone 1993 documentary. I can't find the title or the history behind it, so let's get started on animals that appeared in the documentary. Albertosaurus, species of ankylosaur, most likely a Euoplocephalus. Centrosaurus, or using the synonymous name Monoclonus. Deinosuchus. Edmontosaurus. Edmontonia. Species of Pachycephalosaur. Pachyrhinosaurus, inaccurately depicted with a horn. This documentary came in 1993, so guess this was before. Parasaurolophus, species of flying animal, a pterosaur or bird. Quetzalcoatlus, dromaeosaur, Saurolestes, Strythiomymus, species of Tyrannosaur. And that's it. And yes, I have seen this documentary, and it was a 50-50. All the inaccuracies and all that. See you later, guys.